Aspiring marathoner Giovanni Bonito says his seventh place finish in the half marathon section at the recent Reggae Marathon has served as further inspiration to go fully professional in the sport. Bonito, who only took up road running a year ago as a hobby, clocked 1 hour, 24 minutes and 54 seconds for his seventh place finish in his first time running the half marathon at the event.
Well, it was a fantastic race, a fantastic course. Kudos to the Reggae Marathon team for bringing it here to Kingston. The route was flat, very well done. And the athletes that came out today were very impressive as well. From the start to the finish, the pace was hot. And I'm happy that I ended up finishing seventh. With the caliber athletes that was here, I'm really proud of the performance.
Bonito, who competed in the 5K section at the Panama Marathon in November, felt he could have gone slightly faster.
Well, 125 actually, I did 125 today, and the aim was to do anything between 119 to about 121, but I got some cramps at about the 50th kilometer, so I had to just tough it out and just continue going through.
The 31-year-old former St. George's College student says this year's Reggae Marathon has taught him valuable lessons as he looks to go further in the sport.
This is definitely a learning experience. I'm very happy and I know what to do for the next training block, what to work on. I think I lacked a little bit in terms of long run at half marathon pace for this part, but I'll work on that going forward. The aim is to still debut in the marathon next year, so we're sticking to that. We're going back to the drawing board, have a conversation with my coach, and just get back in the lab and start working again.